ready for a big robotics competition. River Ridge Academy's robotics team is practicing for the VEX IQ South Carolina State Championship. One middle school team and one elementary team qualified for the event and will be traveling to Greenville February 26th to compete. The students are working hard, making sure their robots are ready.
It's a push spot, and we added the two front poles so that the balls so that they wouldn't just fly, go away. And we added these two really skinny cars in the very front so that if a ball is in a corner, we can easily get it out.
During the competition, the students must use their robots to move balls around the arena to score points.
Whenever you clear a corral, you get 5 points, and then whenever you push the balls under the bar, you get 2 points. But if you have a catapult and you launch it and you get in the hoop, I think it's 6 points.
And if you hang on the low bar, you get 6 points. If you hang on the high bar, you get 10 points. So our robot is a push robot, and we usually get 38 points. The highest you could get is 56 points.
The students are excited to compete for the state championship and are working on different strategies to make sure they can score as many points as possible.
We're gonna try to start off with this normal driving, and then we're gonna try automated, which is where we're just gonna pick up the robot and move it to different positions so I can push different balls in.
We're gonna do automated too, so we can get extra points because they add up all the points from automated and just driving. So we're hopefully going to get more points.
If the teams do well at the state competition, they'll qualify for the VEX IQ World Championship in May in Texas. At River Ridge Academy, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.